Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Vanguard account. First, securely log into your Vanguard account online. You will need your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Profile or Account Settings section. This area typically contains all your personal and account-related details. From there, you can easily locate the specific information you wish to modify or update. Common updates include changing your contact information, such as your mailing address, phone number, or email. It is crucial to keep these details current for important communications. Also, remember to review and adjust your beneficiaries for all eligible accounts, ensuring your assets go to the right people. You can also modify your investment preferences or contribution amounts to align with your financial goals. Hey everyone, if you are finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. Your support truly helps the channel grow. On another note, staying hydrated is key, especially when focusing on important tasks like managing your finances. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep you refreshed. Find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After making your desired changes, carefully review all updated information. Double-checking ensures accuracy and prevents errors. Always look for a confirmation message on the screen or an email notification after submitting your updates. This confirms your changes have been successfully processed. If you encounter any issues or have questions, do not hesitate to contact Vanguard support for assistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.